Sewing seems easy until you break some needles, ruin expensive fabric. When you try to fix it, minutes become hours, hours become days, and you just give up. Too many factors. In my new course, The Fundamentals of Sewing, I explore all these factors that play a huge role in the outcome of your sewing projects. I also explain the core concepts such as threading a machine, hand sewing, the history of sewing, and give lots of tips. My whole life has been built on sewing, despite having really struggled at the beginning of my journey. This course shares the tips that help me transcend my lack of natural talent in sewing. Whether you are a total beginner or a seasoned sewist, these tips will help you eliminate the guessing from your sewing game. You will have 24/7 access to my pre-recorded lessons that you can complete at your own pace. Enroll now and learn my trade secrets that will help get you consistent results.